Make sure the torque is set correctly on these bolts.
I just double checked it. We are clear for the next stage.
This build sheet confirms the specifications. The 5.0 V8, the manual transmission, and the highly sought after performance package are all itemized here. This is the critical transition point. The Mustang bodies, fresh from the body shop, enter the sealed environment of the...
Achieving a quality paint finish starts here, with bare metal and a meticulously prepared primer coat.
In this state-of-the-art facility, the legendary 5.0-liter V8 engines take shape.
The bare aluminum casting of the Ford 5.0-liter COYOTE V8, easily identified by the blue oval. This
As the piston moves through the cylinder, the compression rings create a perfect seal, essential for the high RPM performance of this V8 design. The COYOTE V8 utilizes dual overhead camshafts, visible here, with aggressive lobe profiles designed for maximum performance.
Okay, bring it up slowly. Watch the clearance on the left.
Looks good, holding steady.
Perfect, send it home.
The 3.55 rear axle gear ratio stamped on the differential housing balances acceleration and highway cruising.
Make sure the alignment is perfect before we tighten the clamps. Looks good. Ready for the test run.
Alignment looks good on the grill.
Check the headlight fitting before I torque this down.
Modern LED technology creates this distinctive pattern, an authentic Mustang signature.
Panel gaps are within tolerance.
Good. Check the undercarriage next.
The digital caliper shows 4.2 millimeters, confirming the panel gap is within the Ford quality standard of 3 to 5 millimeters. power delivery is looking strong. We're hitting peak torque right about now, and the transmission response is excellent.
Every Mustang receives this final meticulous cleaning, ensuring it's showroom perfect before delivery.
Final inspection complete on Mustang GT. Clear for transport to Bay 4.
From this vantage point, the scale of Mustang production is clear, with hundreds awaiting transport across the globe.
Welcome to Flat Rock, the proud home of the legendary Ford Mustang since 2004.
This colorful array at Flat Rock represents the pinnacle of American muscle car manufacturing.
The legacy continues here at Flat Rock, combining the heritage of the V8 muscle car with modern manufacturing excellence for enthusiasts worldwide.